Hello everyone, welcome to a sunny morning in Darjeeling. I think anyone who comes to Darjeeling and doesn't go to this place, yeah, exactly. I think उसका सफर पूरा नहीं होता है. Like it's Caventers, the first Caventers in India, I believe. इतना मुझे knowledge है नहीं, but it's I think this Caventor exists since 1911. I think this is one of the oldest Caventers we have. It's not like the normal Caventers of milkshake and cool drinks beverages. No, it gives you English breakfast also. So you can see the queue, and I think we would be getting our chances after 30 minutes. So मुझे लगा कि तब थोड़ा vlog कर लेता हूँ. Morning थोड़ा tiring था because in yesterday night we had a lot of fun. Like बहुत जगह घूम रहे थे हम लोग. We came to our rooms around probably at 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock in Darjeeling, it's too late. सोते सोते वही 1-2 बज गया. फिर उठते उठते अगेन और लेट हो गया हम लोग को. आई थिंक वी ऑल वोक अप वेरी लेट. प्रोबेबली आई थिंक सब 8 o'clock 9 o'clock में उठे in the morning. Now it's 9:30 in the morning. We rushed to this place and then we saw a very very annoying thing. बहुत बड़ा लाइन है यहाँ पे. Let's see. I wish we would get our places in 30 to 40 minutes. We are just waiting. Tushneem, Neil, Tosha, all are waiting in the line. Meanwhile, I'm. I think now we can term ourselves as lucky because we got a very good place in Caventers in the open space. वो edge वाला मिला जो कि we were thinking कि वो मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, and we waited for around and more than an hour I believe to get a seat in Caventers. But yeah, that's fine. Like if you have again like as I said, if you have a good food, a good people, and good ambience, then I believe that is one of the best things you can have. Yeah, it's worth waiting for. We've ordered something. We ordered chickens. Let's see how it tastes. I believe it would taste good, but yeah, I don't know exactly how the food would be here. We had to wait for around an hour to get the seat, and now we have ordered the food. I think 20 minutes back. 20 minutes back, but again, when you like wait for something for so long, you expect a lot from that place. मेरा कौन सा है? Wow, we found this place so interesting that we came yesterday night. And again, today also, while after the breakfast at Caventers, we had to go to a room. We could have taken a different route, but we choose to go to this place. This place is amazing, right?
I know.
Like, yeah, we all loved it. It's not like I alone came it, but we all loved it. We'll choose to like come to through this route. Yeah. अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग?
होटल जा रहे हैं, फिर टिकट करके फिर दूसरे होटल में जाएंगे, फिर जाएंगे लेफ्ट जाओ तो टाइम परमिट्स. सो लेट्स सी. Cautious.
हाँ, he became cautious.
नहीं भी. Hey, तेरा भाई क्या देख? We are leaving this beautiful property and बहुत अच्छा stay था and the name तथागत rooms है. It's near this एक cathedral है, एक भवन है. You can highly recommend to stay over here. It's बहुत अच्छा place है and the hosts were also like pretty friendly. ये सुबह भी आया है and he helped us a lot. Like कैसे जाना है, Glenris कैसा है, how to go to Caventers, बहुत सही. You can come stay. He's pretty friendly. एंड यहाँ पे अभी तो इतना ठंडा नहीं है ना?
नहीं अभी मतलब टेम्परेचर थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. कम से कम दिन में भी मेरे ख्याल से अभी 20 के ऊपर ही होगा शायद.
अच्छा हाँ. रात को थोड़ा सिग्नल मिल जाता है.
ऐसे 12-1 बजे के बाद वही 15-16 या 12 तक ही जाएगा. अच्छा. उसके बाद फिर 13 से टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाएगा.
ओके. स्नोफॉल कैसा?
स्नोफॉल ऐसा होता है मतलब दिसंबर, जनवरी या फरवरी उस समय या स्नोफॉल हो गया तो हो गया.
अच्छा.
नहीं तो नहीं. समय मतलब वही रहता है स्नोफॉल का समय.
आप लोग दिक्कत नहीं होता है यहीं पे हो,
इतना दिक्कत नहीं होता।
टूरिस्ट को ज्यादा दिक्कत होता
इधर
है।
ठंडे में दिक्कत होता है, इन लोगों में दिक्कत होता है।
हाँ
तो हम लोगों को तो आदत सी पड़ेगा, मतलब यही क्यों है।
भाई आपका नाम? हाँ वो भी बहुत काफी हेल्प कर रहे थे हम लोग को।
उठ भी तो रहा ना कि
वी आर kinda lost in the roads। कुछ यहाँ पे दिक्कत यह है कि कुछ कुछ रोज वन वे है, हिली रोड्स है, तो थोड़ा दिक्कत हुआ। तो व्हाट वी हैड टू डू इज वी हैड टू गो दिस लेन, ये वाला लेन पे, बट वी couldn't गो। हमने ये वाला लेन ले लिया था एंड दैट इज़ वन वे, एंड इफ़ वी हैव टू लाइक डू अ राउंड अबाउट इट वुड बी अराउंड 3-4 kilometers। So that's they are coming, and we will be taking this route again to go down. So yeah, it's good. I think हम लोग का नसीब काफ़ी अच्छा है in the trip as of now, touch wood. And we booked a hotel Summit Grace due to some issues it got cancelled. थोड़ा containment issues था due to COVID. And luckily we got another hotel like on compensation. This is Summit Grace. It's the one good thing about this place is this hotel is existing since 1914, I believe, 14, and it has some good antique thing kind of hotel. It's not kind of a regular hotel that we normally see. The view is amazing. The view is amazing from this place. You can see the view is amazing. The hotel rooms are मतलब पुराने टाइम का होटल है. It's 1914 man, so you can like imagine. So I'll just give you a like small room tour. So this is what it looks from outside. ये total उन्हीं का ही प्रॉपर्टी है. That's Tasneem and Tosha's room. ये मेरा और नील का रूम है. Okay. That is a place to keep your baggages. Zoom. Oh my god, that's amazing. ये बहुत ही पुराना रूम है. I can see, and वो बोल भी रहा था like this room is being since 1914. So you can imagine. Wooden flooring, बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा. Like lucky people, there is nothing more. We are not paying more, but it's like lucky enough to get these rooms. And the one good thing is they have this fireplace. I don't know if they're gonna like lit it up because तो पूरा packed लग रहा है. But yeah, again. नसीब अच्छा था, nothing else. We're not paying anything more, but नसीब अच्छा था बस. Yeah, that's how it is. And there is another good thing I forgot to show you. The washrooms. And this is the kind of washroom I'm seeing it for the first time. I've only seen it on movies and series. It has a window. It doesn't has any ventilation, like the exhaust fan वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. It has normally a window. So when obvious for obvious reason when you're using it to close it. Yeah. चले?
one thing.
क्या?
Even poop with a view.
No, I don't want that. I don't want that other people will watch it.
No one will be staring at you. There's no this.
नहीं रिस्क नहीं लेना है मेरे को मेरा लाइफ में नहीं. हैप्पी वैली इट्स अ टी गार्डन. बीच में वी सॉ अ ब्यूटीफुल स्पॉट. इतना सही था. सो मैंने बोला भाई रुक जा, जस्ट एक स्पॉट लेते हैं. जस्ट लेट्स टेक अ व्यू. सो अमेजिंग. अबे ए रुक. Hey, I'm not gonna walk that way. Hey, रुक. वो टी गार्डन किस तरफ है? टी गार्डन उस तरफ है. और आगे क्या है? इस तरफ कुछ भी नहीं है. अरे इधर से लेफ्ट. ओके थैंक यू. ये क्या खा रहा है? आइसक्रीम कहाँ से मिला? दुकान कहाँ है? ऊपर है. ओके. So this place is basically, they call it as Happy Valley. I don't know what exactly that it is, but मेरे को जो लग रहा है, the whole place, I think they are terming it as a Happy Valley. It has like tea gardens, pretty curvy roads. Yeah, it's like on a whole package, it's a beautiful place to come for an hour or two. If anyone asks you about Darjeeling, you can just show this. Like complete peace, good weather to be in, and if you got like couple of good friends, yeah, that's like cherry on the cake. This is Happy Valley I'm vlogging from, and there's a wind blast, so I don't know if my voice is clear or not. And yeah, it's a beautiful place. You can come up with friends, family, and your loved ones. Have some cup of coffee or tea. Yeah, basically, so it's on Sunday evening. So basically on Sunday the the tea gardens are closed. So yes, but it's open for the tourist. You can come and you can take pictures and like roam around basically. It's very beautiful actually. So we did not had any plans to come to this place, but we cross कर रहे थे. Then we thought कि like वो नीचे वाला route ले लेते हैं. So there somewhere there we were. Yeah, this part somewhere here we were. And then we thought like चलते हैं उस तरफ देखते हैं कैसा है. And just we took the turn, the left turn. The view was amazing. It was so amazing. मैंने तो उसने बोला भाई तू गाड़ी रोक. Let me take this view. Let me take this shot. Yeah, it's worth coming. It's worth coming actually. I would request everyone, each and everyone, whoever is listening, who is seeing this vlog, at least not even into if Darjeeling, but go to a hill station, go to a place, travel. Yeah, I think that cleanses your heart, that gives you more positivity in your life, I believe. Like that's what I take it traveling for. That totally depends upon people, like person to person. The taste differs as always. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure like all four of us don't want to leave this place because it's pretty amazing, pretty peaceful, but that's sort of how it works. We need to leave places when it's time, and yeah, that's what as of now it is. Things is like rasta bahut narrow hai and there is no street light, so we have to like manage with the headlamps of the car. So we don't want कि वो नौबत आए कि हमें इस रात में चलाना पड़े. So we're just climbing uphill now. So yeah, that's how it is. This is how you shop in Delhi. Do you want to have any bakery kind of stuff? That's the way. लेना क्या है basically?
We'll check croissant and cream rolls.
We had green juice and it was amazing. So just checking once more. दो ये चाहिए क्या?
No. Yes, croissant.
कितना?
2.
Travel anyway, I think you're gonna find a fan of MM93 like me. Fuck, that's amazing. कहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी नीलू?